Find the Maclaurins series of f of x equals cosine cubed x. So we need the triple angle formula here, don't we, for cosine? Well, firstly we know cos 3x, don't we? That's equal to 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x. And this, now we can rearrange for cosine cubed. So this gives cosine cubed x then. Move the 3 cos x to be over with the cos 3x. So it'll be plus 3 cos x, won't it? But then we've got a 4 cos cubed in our mind's eye here, so bring the 4 from times down to divide, and that's what we've got. So cosine x then, let's use the series expansion for cos x here. So cosine cubed x, what have we got? 4 lots of cos cubed, 1/4. Hopefully I can get it round the right way. It's 1/4 . Okay, 1/4 of cos 3x. So here's our cos x function. So it's 1 minus the 3x. Input x is 3x. So just write this down. Plus dot dot dot. And then the general term is minus 1 to the r. 3x to the 2r over r 2r factorial, isn't it? There we are. Plus dot dot dot. So it's 1/4 of that. And then it's plus 3/4 of cosine x. So we can just write this series down here. X squared over 2 plus x to the 4 over 4 factorial minus x to the 6 over 6 factorial plus, and then dot dot dot, minus 1 to the r, x to the 2r over the 2r factorial plus dot dot dot. So we've got that, close bracket. Now let's work out the terms. The first term, the number, will be 1/4 plus 3/4. So that's 1. Now I'm going to work out what we've got next. The x squared term, I've got 1/4 here with a minus, and then 9 over 2 there. Agreed? And then here I've got minus 3 over 8. So I've got minus 3 over 8 minus 9 over 8 is minus 12 over 8. Minus 9 over 8 minus 3 over 8 is minus 12 over 8. Minus 12 over 8 is minus 3 over 2, isn't it? So that's minus 3 over 2. That's the x squared term. Now the x to the 4. We've got 1/4. 3 to the 4 over 4 factorial, which is 24. That's that term there. And the other term is plus 3/4. And then we've got times 1 over 24. So we've got here, we've got 81 over 96, I believe. Yeah, 96 and 3, so it's 84 over 96, which is 42 over 48, which is 21 over 24, which is 7/8. Yeah, so we got 7/8 there. So let's put that down. That's the x to the 4th term. 7/8 is what we've worked out, and it's a plus. Plus 7 over 8 x to the 4. Now we could tap it in the calculator if we wanted. Here we've got 1/4, the x to the 6th term now, minus a 3 to the 6 over 6 factorial. And then we've got plus 3/4 minus another 3 with a minus times 1 over 6 factorial. So what have we got then? 1 over 720 is 6 factorial. So let's just take that out of the problem here. We've got minus 1/4. 3 to the 6 is 9 cubed, which is 729. And then we've got the minus here, haven't we? Plus 3 over 4, plus 3 over 4. So we've actually got 732 over 4 and then 1 over 720. So shall we type that in a calculator? Just to make our life a little bit easier, and we're all happy with it. So we've got 732 over 4 divided by 4. 183, and that'll be minus 183 over 720, one term. So let's get rid of that. Now that I've just worked it out in my head on a scrap of paper. Now hopefully I've remembered it correctly, because it was minus 183 over 720 x to the 6 plus dot dot dot. Now the general term, well, that would be a minus 1 to the r is outside over the 2r factorial underneath, because that's common to both. We've got an x to the 2r that's common, but in the terms we've got a 3 to the 2r times a quarter. There's a quarter common to both, so we can put the 4 there. And then we've got one lot of 3 to the 2r here. And then here we've got plus 3, close bracket. So that would be the 3/4, the 1/4, 3 to the 2r. Yeah, close bracket x to the 2r. Okay, I think that's it then. And we can put the 4 here to make it look a bit easier on the eye, perhaps, and get rid of the 4 that's over there. So did we get that correctly? Minus 1 to the r, 3 to the 2r, over 2r factorial, over a quarter. And then the second term was minus 1 to the r, 2r, x to the 2r times the 3. It's valid for all x, isn't it?